Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on Piano Easy. First, you will need a digital piano or MIDI controller connected to your computer. Next, acquire a reliable MIDI to keyboard mapping software. This setup allows your piano keys to act as computer keyboard inputs. Start by selecting a very easy Geometry Dash level to familiarize yourself with the new control scheme. This initial step is crucial for developing muscle memory and understanding the game's rhythm through your piano. Now let's dive into the technical setup. Install your chosen MIDI to keyboard remapping software. Open the program and connect your digital piano. You will then create new mappings. For instance, assign your piano's middle C key to the spacebar input, which controls jumping in Geometry Dash. Similarly, map any other necessary game actions, such as moving left or right, to nearby piano keys for intuitive control. This precise mapping is key to success. With your setup complete, it's time to practice. Begin by playing levels at a significantly reduced speed, perhaps using a practice mode if available. Focus intently on the rhythm and timing required for each jump and movement. It is crucial to anticipate obstacles and press the correct piano key with precision. Break down difficult sections into smaller, manageable segments and practice them repeatedly. Consistent, deliberate practice will build your coordination and speed over time. To further enhance your experience, consider advanced customization. Experiment with various piano key assignments to discover a layout that feels most natural and comfortable for your hands. Adjust the sensitivity and response time within your MIDI mapping software to fine-tune your control. For a truly tailored practice, try designing your own Geometry Dash levels. These custom levels can target specific piano techniques or challenging rhythmic patterns, helping you master the game with your musical instrument.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.